Want to know how to save a property in booking.com? So in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily save a hotel or stay or anything in booking.com. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now first things first, simply open up your booking.com on your favorite web browser, and once you've done that, you should be provided with this interface by default. So now once you are under this interface, make sure you are logged in as well. We have also created a video, so make sure to watch it. So once you have done that, you can just simply search up for your destination that you want. So you can just simply search your place, check in and check on it, and much more. So you can just simply select search. So if you want a full detailed video of this, we have also created, so make sure to watch it. So it should show something like this. So there are two ways to save it. You can just simply select this heart icon right here to save this item, or you can just simply open up another page that should open a full proper page of this hotel or apartment. So you can just simply select this heart icon again right here on the right side, and you should be good to go. And that's it. It should be saved, and it should come in as highlighted as saved. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.